Questioning. Asking good questions helps you become a better researcher. There are 6 important words to know when asking questions. When asking questions, you start with these words: who, what, where, when, why, how. Who. When you ask a question starting with who, you want to find out information about people. Who works at a museum? Who visits a museum? What? When you ask a question starting with what, you want to find out information about people, places, or things. What is an artifact in a museum? What does a curator do in a museum? Where? When you ask a question starting with where, you want to find out information about the location of people, places, or things. Where can you find a museum? Where do artifacts come from? When? When you ask a question starting with when, you want to find out information that describes when something has or will happen. When is the museum open for visitors? When was the first museum built? Why? When you ask a question starting with why, you want to understand more about a person, place, or thing. Asking why questions is a good place to start your research. It helps you think about big ideas. Why do we have museums? Why do people create museums about history? How? When you ask a question starting with how, you want to find out how something works, how something happened, or how people do their jobs and activities. How do the artifacts get in a museum? How are the exhibits made? Now try asking your own questions using the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how.